nje mfethu u-Aaron Ralston is one of the greatest motivational speakers because wathi eqala le ntaba mfethu waciphizeka isandla and then he cut his hand. Namhlanje ngikhuluma nge-sacrifice mfethu. Wayithola mfethu u-Aaron Ralston ekwi-position la it's either uyashona noma khona into akufana inqamule kuye. Ngifuna sikhulume nge-sacrifice mfethu. Wonke umuntu ongilalele njengamanje siyithola sikuma-crossroads empilweni. Khona i-decision okuzomela uyithathe. Enye yalawo ma-decision izoba i-decision ezo-sacrifice your own lives, you know. Kufana ukhethe ukuthi ngabe ngizo-sacrifice isandla or ngizo-sacrifice impilo yami. Sonke sikuma-crossroad. There's nothing to be gained in life without a sacrifice. Njengoba ngilana mfethu, I've had to sacrifice ubuthongo. I've had to sacrifice into ethile.
Safety as well.
Yonke into mfethu ufuna ukuyenza empilweni ihamba ne-sacrifice. Every day siyithola sikuma-crossroad. It's either uzo-sacrifice your life noma uzo-sacrifice lento ebukeke incane. Wonke umuntu ongilalele njengamanje kuzofana usacrifice. Lithi iBhayibheli lithi lesilamba uza ipoverty kuwena. Umuntu ozothatha ngilale kancane, you know, ngenkathi u-embrace ubuthongo, u-embrace ukuhlehlisa i-alarm, you are sacrificing your future. Choose what to sacrifice. Mfethu uzosacrifice ubuthongo noma uzosacrifice i-growth and success in your life. Khona umuntu ongilalele njengamanje udokotela sebekutshenile ukuthi kufanele uyivocavoce, kufanele u-exercise, keep yourself active.
Yes.
Uma uzofuna ukuthatha ubuthongo noma isikhathi sokuhlala ubukele umabonakude the whole day and ungajimi, you are sacrificing your health ngoku-embrace i-comfort zone. We are all sacrificing something every day. Khona abantu abangilalele mfethu, i-challenge osubhekene nayo mfethu, you are cherishing ama-friendship nama-relationship over your future. You need to choose what to sacrifice between the two. Mfethu khona abantu ufuna ukuya kude in life, you need to sacrifice some of the things. Mfethu abanye bazongilalela and this one izoba slightly sensitive. Abanye mfethu kufanele bayi-understand lento ukuthi abanye they are emotionally attached with amakasi. Abazofana bawa-sacrifice. Disclaimer, this is emotion. This might sound negative kwabanye. Amakasi esikhulele kuwo mfethu, they are great, they are everything, but khona abanye abantu kuzofana babe sacrifice because ikasi selekubambe kakhulu, umqondo wasekasi usukubambe kakhulu mfethu, akusaphumeleleki empelweni. Khona abantu mfethu kuzomela avakashela u-anti wakhe ohlala kwamanye ama-suburbs, spend a week there and realize mfethu ukuthi kuyenzeka kufika i-weekend umakhelwana ngayikhiphi ibhika kuthule cwaka kube ne-weekend mfethu. I was 21 when I realized ukuthi kuyenzeka kube nomcimbi utshwala bungabe khona, abantu ba-enjoy the whole night utshwala bungekho. I was 21 when I realized that. Abanye sibanjwe mfethu, we are emotionally attached to emakasi and then we are finding ourselves sacrificing our future because all we know here is teenage pregnancy, all we know here utshwala, all we know here ama-drugs, all we know ukuthi ebusuku masilela abantu bajahana ngemmese. That is all we know up until you sacrifice that and then you get to experience impilo kwezinye indawo. Understand your sacrifice. Uma unga-understand the sacrifice, you will sacrifice what matters the most. 2004, T.D. Jakes, one of the best books I've ever read, T.D. Jakes, ngayithenga ngo-2015 lencwadi, 2005, ngikhumbula kahle, isihloko sencwadi sithi He Motion. Ubhalela abantu besilisa uT.D. Jakes, uthi the biggest challenge with abantu besilisa is because ba-overcommita kakhulu emsebenzini and end up sacrificing their own families. And then when retrenchment comes, they get to realize ukuthi emsebenzini they were nothing but a number. Uma inkampani si-retrench mfethu izokuvezela ukuthi all along you were nothing but a number. What am I saying? Abantu abajwayele ukungilalela bayazi ukuthi mfethu I am for people giving their best, but never give your best to a point where you sacrifice your own families. And the lento engisho is no longer applicable to men only because nabantu besifazane now they are big and corporate. Never sacrifice your own family. Abanye they are billionaires, but you look at what they've sacrificed. Mfethu sengiconclude. Uthi obhala kahle futhi nokhuluma kahle uthi kusizana ukuthi uzuze umhlaba wonke ebese ulahlekelwa umphefumulo wakho. Again, what are you sacrificing? Kusizana ukuzuza umhlaba wonke ulahlekelwa umphefumulo wakho. We are all at crossroad. This guy mfethu waba stuck. He had to make a choice ukuthi ngincamela ukuthi ngingabe nayo ingalo but ngizophila. Make a wise sacrifice today. Life is a series of sacrifices or trade-off. What are you willing to sacrifice? God is love.